Did I just open a box and find a bucket list ender? Check that out. 1970S. Let me tell you all about it right now. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and yes, check that out. That is a 1970S. Let me see if I can get this thing to zoom in for me. Come on now. 1970S Kennedy $50. This is a bucket list coin to find. Of course, you want to find the D as well, because these are not issued for regular circulation. And then obviously, being that it is an S, it means it is a proof. This was very cool. It was at the bottom of the box. As per usual, I opened the box on camera. The top 25 did not have anything, so I turned the camera off. I start putting them into my flat box, my old Loomis boxes. And then on the bottom of the box, I pick this up this way, flip it over to put it in the box, set it down, and then I realize that it has a shine. I'm thinking, all right, that's awesome. I have a proof. I picked it up, did not expect to see a 1970S. So extremely happy about that. That's going to be into to Monday's stream. But also, we're going to get into these packages right here. Now let me zoom back out. We're going to get into these, and I'm going to show you the new silver for the Silverlopes. Alright, so I have all the silver out here right now, and I just don't know what to say about Provident Metal and their speedy delivery times right now. It's just unbelievable. Another like 7-day turnaround. Very happy with Provident Metals. As always, packaged awesomely. Great coins are rounds that I purchased. Just great. So thank you guys very much at Provident Metals for delivering the way you do and the customer service that you have. So that being said, I'm just going to go over this real quick because this is a comment video and I try to keep these short. This is all the stuff that's going to be in our, oh, I got that turnaround, live stream on Monday. We got the Big Ben clock right here. Of course, that's from Great Britain. Then we got the Queen one as well. Check this out. That's awesome. We got a couple of Congo gorillas right here. Check those out. These are the first I've ever purchased right here. Mad that I'm not going to be keeping these for myself. I looked at these once I got these in hand. I'm like, I don't know. But they're going into the stream, and that's where they're going to be. Then we got the nautical silver. Check this. We love the boats. We love the boat themes, the ships. Nautical ounce right here. Check that design out. Just beautiful. And pretty happy about these Rwandas. And then I had a varied coin. This has an awesome, some awesome toning on it right here. This is the African elephant, obviously, and the Republic of Somali. And this has some. The camera's not showing it, but it's got a. It has some great toning. So I was pretty happy about that. Maybe you can see it like that. You can see that it's got the darker look to it. We have some Comsco Korean Phoenixes. We've seen some reviews of these right here. Awesome, awesome coins as well. Check that out. So we got a pair of those. We have some fractional down here. We had a few half ounces. These were some random half ounces I picked up. I always like the random stuff. You just never know what you're going to get. And then we got some quarter ounce down here, half ounces right here. We also have another Kraken. I know they were hitting good during the stream. Everybody was trying to catch the Kraken, so I had to get another one of those. Athens Owl as well. Come on, camera. There we go. The Athens Owl as well. There was people that was wanting those. Them went fast during the stream, so I had to get another one of those. We have an Aztec calendar right here. We have a Britannia from 2020. We have the Boba Fett. These are big items as well. I wanted to get some big items for the stream. And that's a 2020 from Niue. We have a 2019 Canadian Maple Leaf. And then check these things out. This is the first I've seen of these. I mean, I've seen these before. They're Ashanti mint. Ashahi. You know what I'm saying. But I seen these. They said they was new release. And it says American Reserve. These are made in America. Fine silver. And look at this. Mined and made in America. Look at the eagle on that right there. I will probably keep one of these. And the only reason I say that is because, look, I have 4 of them. I have 4 of those things to be given away during the stream in our Silverlope. So I don't feel bad about keeping one. That's a great. I mean, that just looks, that looks awesome right there. That just looks awesome. So that is what we have. We have 2 boxes Provident metal, thanks you very much. We have 2 boxes. One of the boxes had the 1970S proof Kennedy. Check that out. Unbelievable. Breathtaking. Bucket list item right there for sure. 1, it's like a triple bucket list item. Okay, 1, you want to find silver, obviously. So that's one of our hunts. And we lost focus right there. One of our hunts is to find silver. Second is to find a 70D. Third is to find proofs. So you got silver, it's a 70S, and it's a proof, all in one. Everything's wrapped up. This is a great item to find if you're finding this right here. So good luck to whoever finds this in their rows. I'll see everybody on Monday, 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck.